Is your Midea air conditioner turning off unexpectedly? There are several common reasons why this happens. Understanding these causes will help you identify what's going on with your unit. First, it's important to understand that Midea air conditioners are designed to cycle on and off automatically. This is completely normal behavior to maintain your set temperature. However, if your AC is shutting off more frequently than expected, there could be other issues at play. Let's examine the most common causes. One common cause is timer settings or schedules in the Smart Midea app. Your AC might be programmed to turn off at specific times, or sleep mode could be activated without you realizing it. Another major cause of unexpected shutdowns is overheating. When your AC overheats, it automatically shuts down as a safety measure to prevent damage. The most common cause of overheating is restricted airflow. When air filters become dirty and clogged, or when vents are blocked, your AC has to work much harder and can overheat. Drainage problems are another common cause of shutdowns. When the internal water tank fills up, your Midea AC will automatically shut down to prevent water damage. You'll typically see water dripping from the unit when this happens. The AC detects the full water tank and shuts down automatically as a protective measure. Finally, there's an important safety feature you should know about. Midea air conditioners have a 3-minute protection feature that prevents the unit from restarting immediately after being turned off. This protection feature prevents overloading the compressor. If your AC shuts off, you must wait at least 3 minutes before it can be restarted. This is normal behavior designed to protect your unit. Understanding these common causes of AC shutdowns will help you determine whether your unit is operating normally or if there's an issue that needs attention. In the next section, we'll cover how to troubleshoot and fix these problems. Start troubleshooting by checking the most basic components. First, ensure your power cord is securely connected to both the unit and the wall outlet. Next, check your circuit breaker panel. Look for any trip breakers and flip them back to the on position if needed. Verify your thermostat settings are correct. Make sure it's set to cool mode and the temperature is set lower than your current room temperature. Clean or replace your air filters every 1 to 3 months. Dirty filters restrict airflow and cause the unit to overheat and shut down. Ensure proper airflow by clearing any obstructions around vents and the outdoor unit. Keep at least 2 feet of clearance around the outdoor unit. Review timer settings on your remote control and check the Smart Midea app for any unintended schedules that might be causing automatic shutdowns. Try restarting the unit to resolve any software glitches. Unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. If problems persist, inspect for water leaks around the unit. For complex issues like compressor problems or refrigerant leaks, contact a qualified HVAC technician. Always unplug the unit before performing maintenance and contact Midea support at 1-866-646-4332 if problems persist. Remember these important safety reminders and support information for your Midea air conditioner.